So let's look now at the page template. Now we've set up our 4 web pages. The page template information says that we need to create a navigation bar to be positioned at the top of each page, and the navigation bar should be 1024 by 50 pixels, have a background colour set to hashtag 000000, and contain links to the home, volunteer and profile pages. This is why we don't set up the navigation bar from the wizard at the start of the website, because if you do that, it will contain links to all pages. This specifically says just those 3 links. So let's go back to our software, and we're going to double click. You might need to click this little tab here, but double click on Master Page A until you see the eye. Everything you put on this page will shine through to all the other pages on top. This is the page at the back, all the other pages are transparent, so everything you put on this page will appear on all other pages. This is why we use it as a page template. So we need to add a navigation bar. Now please don't use any of these quick build items because they're preset and it's really difficult to change the background colour and it takes forever. So just choose quick shapes. So we're going to choose a navigation bar and we're just going to draw it across the page. When you set that navigation bar width, you need to break the link here, the lock aspect ratio, because we want it by 1024 by 50 pixels. So if you break that link, you can add specific dimensions. Okay, and you can see there we've got, if you highlight it again, 1024 by 50. It also specifies that you need to fill it, or it needs to have a specific colour. Let's have a look at the colour. It needs to be hashtag 000000. So we're going to edit the colour. We're going to have the hashtag box is there. So we're going to put 000000. Add to palette. It's already in the palette because I've used it before, but you can see that 000000 is black. And close. Okay, so now it's black. The examination paper says it needs to be positioned at the top of each page, so we need to position this on our master page at the top. Oops, that's a bit too far. So we're at the top. Let's go back to the examination paper. It says it needs to contain links to the home, volunteer and profile pages. So this in effect is our navigation bar. What we need to do now is to add some additional buttons to link to those pages. So if we just draw a quick rectangle, you can copy it, you can paste it again. So now you've got 3 buttons that are identical sizes. Let's fill them a colour. And let's add some text. We've got the home page. We've got volunteer and we've got profile. because these are the links that we need to use on the navigation bar. Right, I've done this really quickly, you will take far more time to do yours. If you click on the selection tool, drag over, you'll get a group icon. Group the text and the box together and it becomes one. So you can then use that. As your navigation system. Okay, so if we click on this now, right click, you can hyperlink to a site page, home page. Okay, this one, right click, hyperlink, site page, volunteer, and this one, right click, hyperlink, profile. Okay, it doesn't look that pretty at the moment, but if we just preview this in Google Chrome, difficult to see where it goes to, but you have got that hyperlink icon there and there and there. The next part of setting up the page template, we have to create a banner for the pages in the microsite. The banner should be positioned directly below the navigation bar on each page, i.e. on the master page. 1024 by 150 pixels this time. It needs to include the logo.png, which is in the images folder, and include suitable text. We'll come to the other bits in a minute. So let's go back to our master page with the eye on it, and we're going to add another quick shape. Again, we're going to default to 1024 by this time 150. And we're going to place it directly underneath the navigation bar. As you can see, both are set to 1024, so both exactly the same size. This one is 100 pixels wider. Let's fill this with an appropriate colour then. And let's choose something. Let's choose similar to the colours that we've used before, and click OK. Go back to the examination page, and it says it needs to include logo.png. So we're going to insert picture from file, and we've got the image logo. Notice that we didn't alter any of these images before. Any image that they want you to add to the web page specifically, they will name for you. So you'll always know which image it is. All the images that we changed either the size of or the file format of are just called image. But further down you see all of the things that they want you to actually include. So this one is logo. We're going to click open and we're going to draw it somewhere on that banner. Okay, please don't resize it by dragging it sideways or up or down. You'll have marks deducted if you don't keep it in aspect, so always resize it from those corner icons. So the next thing we need to do, we have made the navigation bar, we've made the banner, we've added the logo. We need to include suitable text. So suitable text could be anything you want, but I would suggest as a minimum we add the name of the website. Okay, so you can highlight that, you can go to your text styles, you can go to edit the size, and if you have a look at the logo, you've got a pale text and a blue text, so let's change the colour. Sorry, wrong one.